Before we start, pause this video right now. Open a Forex trading account with one of the brokers we've linked below this video. Some of them offer up to 2 deposit bonus on your first deposit, but only through our links. You don't need a lot of money to start. Even $100 is enough. Pause the video. Open your account. Then come back and follow this step by step. I'll wait. Alright, welcome back. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to place your first Forex trade, even if you are a complete beginner in 2026. No fluff, no complicated theory, just what actually matters. Most people fail in trading not because trading is hard, but because they never get a clear, simple process. This video is that process. What is Forex, in simple terms? Forex means foreign exchange. You are not buying companies. You are not investing long-term. You are simply betting on price going up or down between two currencies. For example, USD GBP, USD JPY. Where price goes up and you bought gives you make money. If price goes down and you sold gives you make money. That's it. Forex moves every single day. There is always opportunity. Where does the money come from? Forex is a zero-sum market. When someone loses, someone else wins. The reality is simple: 80 to 90% of traders lose. Money flows from undisciplined traders to disciplined traders. Our goal is not to be right all the time. Our goal is to manage risk and trade with probability. Why Forex beats most businesses? Forex has massive advantages: no customers, no shipping, no inventory, no employees, no ads, no overhead. You only need a broker, a strategy, risk control. That's why serious traders treat Forex like a business, not a gamble. Step 1. The tools you need: simple. You need 2 platforms. 1. TradingView for analysis. 2. MetaTrader 4 or 5 for execution. That's it. TradingView is where you analyze the market. MetaTrader is where you place the trade. Setting up TradingView, free. Go to tradingview.com, create a free account. You do not need the paid plan. Open a chart and search for EUR/USD. This is where you will spend most of your time. Keep it clean. Candlesticks, white background, no indicators at first. Clarity beats complexity. Step 2. Understanding trend, most important. There are only 2 trends. Uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. Downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. If the market is going up, gives we only buy. If the market is going down, gives we only sell. This rule alone eliminates most bad trades. Never fight the trend as a beginner. Step 3. Support and resistance. Your entry zones. Support equals floor, resistance equals ceiling. Price reacts at these zones over and over again. If price is in a downtrend and hits resistance, gives we look for sells. If price is in an uptrend and hits support, gives we look for buys. We don't predict. We react. Step 4. Risk management. This is why people fail. Before you enter any trade, you must know how much you can lose, how much you can gain. This is called risk to reward. We only take trades where risk is small, reward is at least 2 bigger. If you risk $10, you want to make $20 or more. This is how you stay profitable even with losses. Step 5. Calculating position size, easy. Never guess lot size. Use a position size calculator like baby pips. You enter account size, risk percentage, stop loss size. It tells you the exact lot size. This protects you from blowing accounts. Step 6. Placing the trade in MetaTrader. Now open MetaTrader 4 or 5. Log in using your broker account. Choose the same pair you analyzed, example EUR/USD. Select instant execution, correct lot size, stop loss. Take profit then. Buy if trend is up, sell if trend is down. Once you click the button, you are live in the market. No emotions. No guessing. What happens next? You do nothing. You let stop loss protect you. Take profit pay you. Trading is boring when done correctly. Boring equals profitable. Withdrawing profits, your money sits with the broker. When you make profit, request withdrawal, money goes to bank or crypto wallet. Simple. That's why choosing a good broker matters. Execution, spreads, withdrawals, this affects real money. That's why we linked our recommended brokers below. Important. Start small, do not rush. Start with small capital, small risk, realistic expectations. Consistency beats speed. Final advice for 2026: trading is not about getting rich fast, winning every trade, fancy indicators. Trading is about process, Discipline, risk control. Good execution, and execution starts with the right broker. If you're really serious about trading in 2026, open an account with one of the brokers below. Some offer up to 2 deposit bonus only through our links. Start small. Follow the steps. Be patient. This is how traders actually make money long term.